Welcome to Best of US Investors explanation of the Platinum Channel. Today, I'm going to take you through what is involved in the Platinum Channel, what you get for your subscription fee, and how this teaches you to be a better investor, both short term, but also long term. So let's get to it. First off, when you land on the Best of US Investors website, which is bestofusinvestors.com or bus13.ai, you'll log into your account and the account will take you to your subscriptions levels. Here you go up to members, click Platinum Channel, and this takes you to the menu associated with the Platinum Channel. First off, you have Kerry's portfolio, and this is a breakdown of Kerry Griegmeyer, the founder of Best of US Investors, his personal portfolio. Once you've clicked on the menu button, you'll be taken to Kerry's portfolio, his thesis, Kerry's time frame, a couple of disclaimers, and he also posts his recent trades. This breaks down every position in Kerry's portfolio, the stock, number of shares, his cost basis, the price for which it's trading at today, total value, and his gains or losses. We also list all of his trades down here below. Gives you a value of how he is doing each week. Kerry has also developed the bus portfolio cheat sheet. When you click on that, it gives you an explanation of the cheat sheet here, and then a breakdown of every position he has put in the bus portfolios. He gives you a breakdown of all the different statistics fundamentally, price projections, along with news and events over here. It's a very extensive cheat sheet. It's fundamentally based, which is how Kerry invests. And he's focused on artificial intelligence companies and the companies that are building out the artificial intelligent world. The Platinum Channel started out as a swing trading portfolio. These are stocks that Mark, our head of the Platinum Channel swing trading program, picks every weekend and then lists them on Saturday morning. You click the button here, and this will take you to the watch list. Here, Mark explains the breakdown of the watch list and how to interpret it. As you can see, starting back on January 1st, 2024, Mark lists every trade Monday morning that he thinks could be a good swing trade. He has the daily price, which adjusts throughout the day, ticker, company name, and then the price for which he put it on the list. That's important because this is when he selects this, it's typically the price is based on the previous Friday's close. He lists the date it was put on. He gives you support levels as well as resistance levels. There is a legend up here to explain what each of these individual legends or indicators reference. He then gives you some commentary here. He gives you an exit date when he sells out of it. He puts a per share return or gain or loss, and he gives you as well as the overall gain and loss. The key to this is you check it every day because he actually updates it. And as you can see, as of 2024, he has done 304 trades. Now, the thing you have to recognize about the watch list is some weeks it's going to be excellent. There's going to be a lot of opportunities out there. And then some weeks, as you can see on here, line 302, really isn't any. And some weeks that go by, there aren't any trades available. And the reason is Mark is a very conservative investor. He is one who's patient, methodical, and he has a process and he sticks to it. So when he doesn't see a trade, he doesn't see any opportunities, he doesn't force it because he doesn't want you to lose money. Just like you, You don't want to lose money at the end of the day. So Mark will update this every Monday, and sometimes there isn't any trades. That's okay. Overall, he's done really well for the year, averaging just under 2% every week. Along with the swing trade program, the cheat sheet, and Kerry's portfolio, you get a trend analysis of the bus for 12 and 13 stocks, and that's a more of an intermediate to long-term allocation. You get replays of our swing trading video call, which is every Friday at 11:30 a.m. Central. You, as a swing trader or platinum channel member, you're welcome to join the call. It's a live call. It's a discussion about swing trading, about macro events, and how they're influencing the markets. It's really in depth. But if you can't make it, we totally understand. And that's why you can click here and go see the replay. We also have the link to where you can join those our calls, as well as Kerry's call, which is on Friday. We also place a replay of that call, which is at 3 p.m. Central Time every Friday. And that's where tribe members all get together and we discuss what Kerry's looking at when it comes to the artificial intelligence, his cheat sheet, along with many other things. It's really a great interactive event. Charting education. Oh my gosh, how important is that? Getting knowledge about what are the different charts, different elements of charts. We break down in very easy to understand videos. I would encourage you, if you subscribe, this is where you start. Start with these education channels and go there. Now, the cool thing about what we have as well is it just doesn't stop at the website. Once you sign up, you become a member of our Discord. Our Discord, as a platinum member, is where our tribe members get together and we discuss ideas. As you can see, we have the Platinum Channel introduction, Platinum Channel swing trading guidelines. I encourage you, if you subscribe, to read the guidelines because they're super important and you can download these so you can review them along with Kerry's cheat sheet, Kerry's portfolio. And every morning, Mark puts up market news. And he gives you all the breakdown of the coming day, the events that are on the way, things that he sees, news events, as well as he comments throughout the day of different macro events that you see that happen throughout the day. You have the portfolio trend tracker of the bus 12 and bus 13 portfolio. Charts of interest. This is cool because Mark goes in, as you can see here, it's Sunday night. He has posted about markets, what's going on, what he sees happening, along with some chart ideas. And he has also introduced momentum trading charts of interest as well, where he screens out his charts of interest, breaks down the stocks that you can see here that he likes for the coming week. Mark's office is awesome because this is where you can come and ask Mark questions about swing trading, about investing, really about anything. And he responds to you as well. We have Platinum Channel events. This is where we list all the events for the week, where you can click and sign in. Mark's daily watch list as well. Platinum replays of the videos, same as on the website, but you also get them here on the Discord. Platinum chat, this is where everybody goes back and forth and discusses different ideas. Mark responds to those inquiries or ideas, and everybody really gets involved. It's a pretty awesome little thing. We have Platinum Crypto, where we discuss crypto and what's happening in the crypto world, as well as Kerry's trades, where we list all of Kerry's trades as he makes them. And then Platinum Live. This is so awesome because this is where members can do a live video feed with each other and discuss ideas. We have a lot of members who jump on in the morning. They discuss markets. Mark jumps on, I jump on, Kerry jumps on every so often. We discuss these different ideas. With Platinum Channel, you'll get everything that's in the Gold Channel, everything's the Silver Channel, and then any free items as well. So this is a really great opportunity to subscribe for $60 a month We have a 14-day free trial. Subscribe, get 14 days free to try it out and interact. If you have questions, you'll always reach out via support at Best of US Investors, or you can text me, which is in the once you log in the members area. Overall, you get a whole lot of great stuff. And what we have found is people who follow and learn the swing trading program, the swing trading isn't just a short-term day trading event. It is based on a week time frame, 5 days, and putting a position in, learning how to put in trailing stop losses, and then learning resistance and support levels and making money. And that's why Mark has been so successful with the swing trading program. I encourage you to try the 14-day trial and give it a go and learn how to become a better investor. Thanks for your time. Live loud.